This is Samantha here with Right Way Garage Doors. Gonna do a little troubleshooting with you on if you're having some issues with your garage door closing. If you are needing to get your garage door closed immediately and don't have time to work on your sensors, you can override those photo sensors by holding down the garage door button continuously and get your garage door closed. On this side, we have a safety sensor with a blinking red light. This blinking red light is an indication that there is something impeding the sensors or that they're out of alignment. This flickering could be very minimal or very blatant blinking. You're going to just wipe down the front of the photo eyes to make sure that there's no cobwebs, dust, or anything like that, and also make sure that the photo eyes are completely aligned and on their brackets. Once you've got your photo eyes aligned and nothing impeding them, the light will be solid and you'll be able to close your garage door.